Instagram doubles maximum reels length to 30 seconds. Hey there, welcome to the channel. Please stick with me to the end of this video. On September 23rd, 2020, Instagram is rolling out a few minor updates to its nascent Reels product, a TikTok copycat that arrived in the US in early August amid a trying season for its Chinese-owned predecessor. Instagram says that, in response to user demand, it is doubling the maximum length of a reel from 15 to 30 seconds. Similarly, TikTok started out with a 6-second maximum length before subsequently expanding to 15 seconds. Currently, TikToks can be at most 60 seconds long. A second minor change will see Instagram expanding the 3-second countdown timer that users could previously initiate to prep for recording. Now, creators will have the option to set a timer for up to 10 seconds before recording begins. We continue to improve Reels based on people's feedback, and these updates make it easier to create and edit, Product Director Tessa Lyons-Larling said in a statement. While it's still early, we are seeing a lot of entertaining, creative content. Reels allows users to compile multi-clip videos via stitched together segments captured from within Reels or imported from users' photo libraries. At launch in August, the product touted a number of audio options, effects, and align tool to create seamless transitions when editing shorter segments together, and a speed option, enabling users to create slow motion videos, for instance, or to stay on beat while dancing. While the product is still rolling out, Instagram notes that Reels has been used by myriad creators in interesting ways to date, including Prince William and Kate Middleton on a visit to an iconic London Bagel shop, as well as by activist Blair Imani, who has launched a series dubbed 15 Seconds Smarter, where she shares bite-sized discussions about consent, intersectionality, pronouns, and other pertinent social issues. And next up, Instagram says, the Country Music Television (CMT) Awards will be the first major US awards show to announce its nominees exclusively via Reels today at noon. Needs you to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe now, or we will take your cookies. We post trending videos like this every 2 days. So please stick around. And thanks for watching.